Welcome to Affordable Laser Hair Removal. We believe that each of our clients have a right to feel sexy, smooth and confident. I don't know what caused you to seek laser treatment, but most of our clients find maintaining hair is time-consuming. Conventional hair removal is uncomfortable, especially the cuts, rashes and ingrown hairs caused by shaving. Shaving and waxing are both temporary and painful. And as hair begins to grow back, it's prickly to the touch. Unwanted body hair is very noticeable to the eye. A less well-known advantage for laser therapy is the treatment can actually help eliminate body odor, which is caused by the waste secreted by bacteria on your skin. Because body hair increases the surface area upon which bacteria can grow, more hair means more bacteria. This means that hair-free individuals not only look and feel better, they will also smell better. If you thought, "Me too," to any of these reasons, we empathize with you and with all of our clients. We understand how much of an annoyance unwanted body hair can be. We understand that these issues, if ignored, will only worsen, which is why we want to help you be proactive in taking control of your life. The great news is that laser therapy is an excellent long-term solution for hair elimination. Did you know the vast majority of people who choose to invest in themselves by getting laser treatment said afterwards they felt more confident and more attractive? We would like to reveal the science behind laser treatment. These secrets will also answer the 5 most common questions related to laser treatment. What is laser treatment? How does hair grow? How does laser treatment work? Is laser treatment permanent? How many treatments will I need? Laser hair removal is the use of cutting-edge technology which utilizes an invisible beam of light and a constant heat source. This laser penetrates the hair follicle and disables hair growth at the root. Laser technology has been safely and effectively used as a solution of hair removal for over a decade. In order to understand laser treatment, let's observe how hair grows. There are 3 stages of hair growth: anagen, catagen, and telogen. Anagen is the growing phase where the hair is attached to the root and has blood supply. Catagen is when the hair has disconnected from the root and has stopped growing. Telogen is when the new hair grows and pushes the old hair out. Only during the anagen phase can laser permanently disable hair growth. This is due to the fact that during this phase, the hair is directly connected to the blood supply. The hairs that are in the anagen phase on the day of the treatment will be treated successfully. On any given day, the average person has roughly about 20% of their body hair in the anagen phase. So in theory, each time you come in for treatment, you should experience a 20% reduction of hair growth. Results vary because every person is different. You may have a little more or less than 20% of your hair in the anagen phase. You should know laser hair removal is a reduction in hair growth and is not 100% permanent, but it lasts a lot longer than any other hair removal method on the market. There are other factors besides hair growth phase that can affect the treatment. These include hormones, racial backgrounds, stress, pregnancy, menopause, medication, illness, and high blood supply. All of these variables cause some variation in the effectiveness of the treatment. However, the majority of people only require 6 to 12 sessions and then occasional top-up treatments afterwards. The exact number of treatments will depend how positively your body responds to the treatment. Facial treatments, especially among men, typically require more top-up treatments due to the face being very hormonal. Facial treatments could require top-ups every 3 to 6 months. Body areas, on the other hand, usually require fewer top-ups than the face. For many parts of the body, including legs and underarms, most clients only need to return once a year and sometimes once every 2 years. Because of all the factors that affect laser treatment, the most effective method in which to start treatment is a patch test. This is where laser treatment is performed on a small area of the patient's skin. This patch test has 2 main purposes. 1. To help the therapist better predict how receptive the patient's skin will be to the treatment. 2. To ensure the patient's skin reacts positively and has no allergic reactions. Normal reaction to laser, which will disappear within 24 to 48 hours, include mild redness, similar to sunburn, itching and slight irritation of skin, mild heat rash, manifest by tiny white heads. It is highly rare for an individual to experience any more advanced allergic reaction. If you experience any of the following symptoms, please call our clinic, as you might be experiencing an allergic reaction. Severe redness and swelling of skin which lasts longer than 72 hours. Severe irritation, itching or burning within 48 hours. Blisters. Bruising. Hypo or hyperpigmentation, which is only possible when you have tanned skin. If you have tanned skin, it's best to let us know before we do the treatment. Also, let your therapist know if you're taking any medication, because some medications can cause photosensitivity. We advise you shave the night before your treatment. Shaving on the day could cause your skin to be very sensitive. After your laser treatment, you may notice your hair shedding in patches. We advise all clients to shave around 10 days after the treatment, because this will help continue the shedding process. Also, laser therapy is not suitable on blonde, grey or red hair types. If you have very fine or fluffy hair, laser will be less effective. We therefore do not recommend having laser, as it may stimulate more hair growth. By now, we hope you feel that you have a pretty comprehensive insight on how laser therapy works. After we diagnose your skin type, we will be happy to help give you an estimate on how long this process should take, investment details, and any other questions you may have. As we have helped answer questions our clients have had, we have been interested to discover that the vast majority of all patients share the same top priority: the treatment's effectiveness. For this reason, we pride ourselves on providing the most effective treatment on the market. We understand you're excited to eliminate daily shaving and unwanted hair. We are excited to help do our little part in helping you be even more sexy, more smooth, and more confident. The therapist will now diagnose your skin, answer any question you may still have, and start with your patch test.